Hey, today I want to go out and try the Scout on a new spinner target I got. If you remember in the last video, I had the little animal spinners, and the Epic was just kind of bending those things up. So I got something new today, a little heavier duty. We're going to try that. First, I want to show you something. I picked up a run cam, and I don't know what I'm going to put it on yet. I picked this up, I don't know, 5 months ago, and hadn't had time to do anything with it. Got a weird schedule. Anyway, this goes on a Picatinny rail, and looking forward to trying this Scope Cam 2 4K. So someday soon, that's going to go on something. I just don't know what yet. For now, let's go outside and shoot some spinners. Hey, since last time I tried to shoot my little spinners, I was tearing them up with the Scout. I got this made out of a lot heavier metal. These little legs normally go in the ground, but where I'm going to set them is on concrete. So I'm going to use my little homemade vise. I'm going to go set this out and we'll start shooting. All right, what I'm going to be shooting today is a JSB Exact King Heavy Mark II. These are 33.95 grain, and I'm at 28 yards. And it's not too windy today, a little bit, but we can make it work. I'm not really curious about groups. I'm more curious about if the target's going to stand up to the Scout. Wow, that was a hard smack. I think I spun the whole target. Let me go straighten my target up. Okay, that's better. Put some firewood on it. I can't see my display to see if I chambered another round. I guess I did. Looks like a pretty good group. It's not going to quit moving. I don't know if the wind's blowing it or what. The others aren't moving. Let's shoot one of the others. I must be making them nervous because they're sure moving a lot. Yeah, it's just the wind. Let's get the little guy. Man, that's loud when it smacks that target. Well, let's see how that stood up. Powering off. Man, that embedded all kinds of lead into this wood down here. And I just realized I forgot to hit record on the scope. So I'm glad I had this camera down here. Well, it made a little bit of a dent, but not bad. I can just barely see a dimple on the back side. Let's see, there you go. So it is, it's even denting this stuff, but I could get a bunch of shots in on this. I don't think I want to shoot it with the Evo though. Well, I think that went pretty well. It dented those just a teeny bit, but I could hit that a bunch. Now, I think I'm going to try that on the Evo with the slugs. That'll be down the road a little bit. Maybe when I come in next week, I'll give that a shot. But it held up pretty good for the Epic, and it's something that's certainly going to be usable. I'll be trying to get that out at some extended ranges as quick as I can. Thanks for watching. I'm going to throw a video up over here you might like. YouTube's going to throw one down here you might like. I'll catch you in one of those, or I'll catch you down the road.